Have you ever wondered about the beauty of Palampur? It's a place where verdant tea gardens stretch as far as the eye can see, and where peace seems to be a resident. Each corner of this quaint town is steeped in serenity that whispers tales of the mountains. From the distinct aroma of tea leaves to the soothing hum of Himalayan breeze, Palampur is a symphony of enchanting experiences. Palampur, a hidden gem in the heart of Himachal Pradesh, awaits your visit. Your journey to Palampur starts from the bustling city of Delhi. Imagine stepping out of the urban chaos and into the heart of the Himalayas. The most convenient way to start this transformation is by catching a flight to Gagal Airport in Dharamshala. This is the closest airport to Palampur, located just an hour's drive away. Once you land, a taxi ride will take you through the final leg of your journey. As you leave behind the cityscapes, you'll be welcomed by the verdant landscapes of Himachal Pradesh. Picture winding roads lined with towering pine trees, sweeping valleys carpeted in tea gardens, and the majestic Dhauladhar ranges peeking through the clouds. Every turn in your journey brings a new vista, a new slice of serenity. The journey from Delhi to Palampur is more than just a travel experience. It's a rendezvous with nature, a chance to breathe in the freshness of the mountains, and a visual treat that will linger in your memories long after you've returned home. The journey from Delhi to Palampur is not just a travel experience, it's a visual treat. As you make your way into Palampur, the charm of the town instantly captivates you. It's as if you've stepped into a serene painting that's come alive, with the vibrant hues of lush greenery as your canvas. The locals, with their welcoming smiles and warm hospitality, become the artists of this masterpiece, adding to the town's allure. The cleanliness that pervades through the streets, the freshness of the air, and the tranquility that the town offers, all contribute to a sense of peace that's hard to find elsewhere. You feel at one with nature, experiencing a unique blend of simplicity and elegance that's both refreshing and captivating. Palampur, with its simplicity and elegance, leaves an everlasting impression on its visitors. This journey offers more than just a getaway. It provides a refreshing experience, bringing you closer to nature. Palampur, a hidden gem in Himachal Pradesh, boasts of enchanting landscapes, lush tea gardens, and the invigorating aroma of fresh pine. The journey from Delhi, our nearest city, is a scenic ride offering glimpses into the rustic charm of India. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a peace lover, Palampur has something for everyone. Beyond the picturesque vistas and exciting trails, it's the warmth of the locals and the rich cultural tapestry that truly enriches your travel experience. So pack your bags and embark on a journey to explore the unexplored. Palampur, a paradise nestled in the lap of Himachal Pradesh.